This is the Wodel tool environment where we can define mutation operators. In this case we show this Wodel program for um, deterministic finite automata metamodel. We can include OCL constraints that every generated mutant must fulfill. This is the model draw DSL to graphically represent the models. Okay, and well, this is the DSL model text to textually represent the models, and this is the DSL mutatext to textually represent the mutation operators applied. This is the DSL-Edu test where we can define the different kinds of exercises to be generated, also including these alternative textual representations that in this case of deterministic finite automata correspond to the regular expression of the automaton. Okay, now we are going to show the seed model synthesizer wizard, where we can generate seed models over which every mutation operator has application. Okay, it is using the use model validator tool in the backend. Okay, and now this is the Wodel-Edu tool preferences page where we can select the different target platforms of the exercises to be generated. Now we are going to generate exercises for the Moodle platform. This is the XML folder where the exercises are going to be generated. Okay, and this is the Moodle course where we are going to import the generated exercises. We need to import as Moodle XML format, and as we are going to see, the folder is still empty because the XML file hasn't been generated yet. We need to refresh the edutest configuration file. Okay, and we update it, and now the XML file will appear in its folder. As we can see, it has been already generated, and we return to the Moodle platform, and as we can see, the folder contains the XML file. We import it in the current Moodle course. Okay, and now these are the generated exercises. Okay, as we are going to see next, well, the different exercises are imported in the course. Now we are going to create a questionnaire, a Moodle quiz, okay, and include in it the desired exercises just to see how they will be provided to the students. Okay. Now we edit the quiz, the created quiz, and include those questions that we prefer. Okay, in this case we select one exercise of each kind just to show the different kinds. Okay, and now we are ready to provide the questionnaire to the students. This is the exercise of the kind of the missing words kind, where we need to complete the gaps with the different options of each drop-down list. Okay, and this is the exercise of the match pairs kind, where we need to select one option of the different drop-down list on the right to match each statement generated in the left part of the exercise. Okay, and this is the exercises of the multiple diagram choice. We need to select which of the different diagrams shown corresponds to the statement. Okay, this is an example of an exercise of the multiple emendation choice, where we need to select which text options fix the shown diagram to match the statement. And finally, this is the exercise of the alternative response kind, is true or false. We submit the generated exercises, and this is the mark we obtain. We also generate exercises for the Moodle for the Android platform, okay, and as we can see, these are the exercises of the alternative response kind, the exercises of the multiple emendation choice kind, and the exercises of the multiple diagram choice kind. Okay. And finally, we also generate exercises for plain HTML and JavaScript format